Okay, this is about how to do a pattern with GameMaker 8.1. In GameMaker 8.1, there's no, they don't have a folder for paths like Studios. So in order to do this, you have to use alarms. And so you're going to notice that the characters, when it comes in, it's yellow. And then he's going to go down like a step formation. And after so many seconds, he's going to shoot a weapon out while moving at the same time. Shoots, 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 and it's centered. When he's shooting outside the room, he comes back in. Now, I couldn't get for Studios, when he leaves the room, outside the room, he jumps back to the top and moves right in. With GameMaker 8.1, that wasn't possible. I had to make the character come in up at the left corner as yellow. I mean, he just popped in and went down. But it's kind of hard to notice that he doesn't come in as he pops up, see? It kind of looks like he moves in. But he's not really moving in. He's really stopped here at the top in yellow. As he goes outside the room and jumps back to the top. GameMaker Studios, you're able to make him jump back to the top and come in. With GameMaker 8.1, that's not an option. He never came in. So you gotta make sure that he's in the room when he first starts the game. So this is what I did here. In the room, you have the player up at the top. So when he leaves the room, he's going to jump back to the top here. Alright, so we got the player object here. Did a create. Then in the move tab, I dragged over a move fixed. So he's going to go 4 speeds to the right. Then at 20 seconds, alarm 0 is going to kick in. And he's going to go down at 5 speeds. Then I'm going to do a move crate instance right here. This crate moving tab, and it's going to fire a weapon. And then the X is 0, Y is at 25 because I want that away from his mouth. Speed's at 20, directions 270, going down, and make sure you set it to relative. Remember, 270, the weapon's going down. 0 is going right, 180 is going left, and up is 90. So let me show you the weapon here real quick. So the weapon here is object fire. Set it to visible, and then I did a create and did a var here under the code tab. Set it to image speed at 0.2. Set it to this doesn't have to be set to relative. I did this image speed thing for 0.2 to slow down the animation here, because in the animation you can see that it blinks real quick. I don't want it to move real quick, so I slowed down the animation using the var statement. Make sure you set your origin to 25 and center it. And then precise, only in that circle area there. And that's it. So visible. Okay, so it's going to shoot out the object fire. 20 speeds, away from his mouth at 25, direction 270 going down, relative. Then I did set color blend. So in the main 1 tab, dragged over a set color blend. Have any color you want here, or you can make your own up. Define it, make your own up. Make sure you set the alpha 100 so it changes the color of the image to that color. If you do 70, it's kind of hard to see the color change, or 80 or whatever, so I just keep it at 100. Then it's going to do another alarm at 15 seconds. Then he's going to go right at 5 speed, and then I did another set sprint and change it to white. If you want your image to go back to the original color, make sure it's set to white and make sure the alpha is 100. I don't know why, but GameMaker, this is what you have to do for switching it back to the original color. Make sure it's set to white, alpha is 100, then do another alarm. Alarm 2 at 10 seconds. Alarm 2 is going to kick in, and it's going to do it for 1 second, and it's going to repeat at alarm 0. So it's going to do a loop. It's going to go back to alarm 0 and repeat. Go back to alarm 0 and repeat. And then, like I said, when it leaves the room, in the move tab, drag over a jump to start, and it's going to set it to self. So once it leaves the room, it's going to jump back to the original position, which was this area right here, and he's going to go do his thing with the step thing, with the pattern thing, and then he's going to leave the room and then do it again until you kill him off. So that's how you do a pattern in GameMaker 8.1 by using alarms. Because there's, like I said, there's no folder here that allows you to do alarms. So when you upgrade to Studios, then you have another option with paths where you see it visually. Oh, actually, it does have paths. Huh, I just noticed that now. Shoot. Well, let me do a path then. Hold on here. Create a path. I was wrong. Alright, so you can plot points here. Alright, so let's do my bust here. Okay, so you can make a path. Alright, so you do your lines, and then say don't uncheck that so it does the step event here. You can do stairway, or you can do a curve. If you want to make it a curve, you can. Then say check it. Then alright, then what we're going to do is I believe we don't need to do these alarms here. Okay, this changes everything. Well, you know what? I'll do another video on how to do paths on that. I have to figure this thing out. But yes, I was wrong. You can do it using... there is a path folder here. Okay, so I'll do that on the next video on how to do the paths. And then I'll do another video on that, because right now I'm not sure how to do exactly. I think you just drag in some code here. I'll mess with it later on when I look at my studios how I did that, and then I'll go back and make another video on how to do paths. Alright, thanks for watching.